If you're looking to boost your sales by cross-selling services, then using gig packages is one of the most effective strategies. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step, so you can start increasing your revenue today. Stick around, because I'll also be sharing a way for you to access an exclusive free trial of the software we'll be using, which will make this all a lot easier. Cross-selling is all about offering additional services to your existing clients. But here's the secret. Instead of just pushing more services, you bundle them into gig packages. This creates more value and makes it easier for customers to say yes to more than one offer. Think of it like a discount. Who doesn't love a good deal? Now, how do you cross-sell services effectively with gig packages? First, you need to understand your core services and how they relate to each other. For example, if you're offering web design, your cross-sell could be SEO services or ongoing website maintenance. These are services that complement the original purchase and add value. Once you've identified the services that go hand in hand, the next step is packaging them together in a way that makes sense. You don't want to overwhelm your client with too many choices. Keep the package simple and focused on the customer's needs. A good rule of thumb is to offer a basic package with just the essentials, a premium package with added features, and a VIP package for those who want the full experience. When you're setting prices, make sure the package feels like a deal. If your clients can get more value for just a little more money, they'll be more likely to take you up on the offer. But remember, price alone won't sell the package. You need to clearly explain the benefits of each service and why it makes sense for your client to have it all bundled together. Another powerful tool for cross-selling is offering a limited time promotion. Whether it's a discount, a bonus service, or free support for a few months, a special offer creates urgency and encourages clients to take action. One more tip, make your offers personalized. When you understand your client's needs, you can craft tailored gig packages that speak directly to them. This makes it less about selling and more about offering a customized solution. Now, when it comes to actually implementing these gig packages, you'll need the right software to manage it all. After testing a lot of different tools, I found this software to be the most user-friendly and effective for creating and selling gig packages. It simplifies the process, helps you manage clients, and boosts your sales. And as a viewer of my channel, you get an exclusive free trial to try it for yourself. Check out the link in the description below. Key takeaway. Cross-selling services with gig packages works because it adds value for your clients while making the sales process easier for you. Focus on bundling complementary services, creating irresistible packages, and using personalized offers to close the deal. To recap, identify your core services, bundle them into simple gig packages, offer clear value, create urgency with promotions, and use the right software to manage it all. Don't forget to grab your free trial in the description and start building your own gig packages today.